Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Kyle Outdoors. So, out here fishing. I was talking to my buddy on the phone when I got this guy right here. Nice little 2-pound bass. But, gotta go back home because his pole don't work. Say hi, Jaden.
Hey.
So now we gotta go get a reel for him. But watch this little release right here. Little release. Go ahead, Jaden. Let him in slowly. Look, go ahead, grab them. Hand in slowly. Don't throw them in. Slightly put them in. Moving back and forth. Back and forth. All right, there he goes. He's leaving. Oh, bye, buddy. See you. And he's gone. All right, well, we're back out here fishing. He got his new pole. His little man. I can't find my, what is it? I can't find my tripod stand for my phone, so it's going to be hard to make a video today. But hopefully I can record somebody catching the fish. You get anything yet?
What?
You get any bites?
All I want.
Oh.
Okay.
Relaxing. Good Father's Day. Yeah, I'm fishing like I got live bait. The bass in here just hit anything, moving or not. So, yep. At least I got one fish in the video. Alright guys, this is going to be a very short video. Man, the fish is no longer biting. He's getting tired.
Bored.
He's bored, tired, whatever. At least we got one fish today. But maybe there might be an out intro. I don't know yet. But if not, remember, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Turn on that notification bell for my next adventure outdoors. And make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Alright guys, again, this is Kyle Outdoors, and that's what's popping with Jaden. Check him out. Check out Outdoors with Jim.
Jaden's Life.
Oh, Jaden's Life, that's right, he changed it.
Popping with Jaden's on TikTok.
Gotcha. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Bye. That's what I get the fish with. Scaring away all the fish. A lot of them now.